Finally finished the visiting the Mararizon Island. We are planning to back the main island Kulasi. So just now heading to the boat. The boat cost us 1000 peso for the one way trip. Everyone back to the boat. Finally in the boat going to the Kulasi. After that we will take bus and then the Barbaza, our final destination. Today sea is quiet and there is no rain. We are lucky. It's a wonderful experience, the Mararizon Island.